44 degrees real feel. Even birds are trying to save themselves in the water. Extremely hot day in Benidorm. Bars trying their best to make tourists stay. Have empty streets and packed up beach everywhere you go. This is officially the last day of Heatwave in Benidorm town. Heatwave that's been here for 2 weeks. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. We are in the heart of Benidorm, in the old town. The sun is literally burning the skin, which is why there's not a lot of people here that you're able to see on the streets. Plenty of them are heading to or from the beach, but no one is just simply having a walk. The local bars and terraces are putting non-stop water fans and splash to try and maintain tourists on these terraces. The actual temperatures that were marked today was 38.5 degrees, and the real feel is of almost 44. People do not usually understand it because they say, oh, it's 38, you're fine. It's 36, you're fine. But with the humidity that we have, the real feel of how the body perceives it is way higher, which is why you feel like it's 44 degrees outside, which is not a pleasant thing at all.
Welcome to Benidorm.
People don't seem very happy by now when they say welcome to Benidorm. That wasn't really a happy welcoming. That was more like, oh my God, it's so hot out here. Welcome to Benidorm, you know? This is what the reality is. Luckily to us, these heat waves are somewhat normal, but this time it's been records. It's been 50 years more or less since we've had this type of heat wave here registered in Spain and in Benidorm town. Plenty of cities are marking more than 40 degrees, and some of them even 43, which the real feel usually is way higher if it's a humid city next to the Mediterranean Sea. So it's really difficult to stay outside. We are heading through the old town, towards the small old town beach Malpas, towards the old town to see what's going on out there and what the atmosphere is usually like on the hottest day of the year officially. Starting from now on, temperatures will start decreasing, and in some points of Spain, by the way, the difference will be of more than 10 degrees from one day to the other, which means that it is quite a big difference. Here in Benidorm, we will be at around 30 degrees starting from tomorrow, which is great. Not gonna lie, we are without any kind of strength already by now. Whenever we walk down the city now, it feels burning hot. When you breathe with the mouth, not with the nose, it is a hot air mass that you're breathing in. It is very difficult to stay outside, which is why the terraces are half empty. Look at this, there's literally just a few people on the terrace here today. By the way, for all those of you who are wondering what day is it today, it is Monday, 18th of August right now. So it's the same day you will be seeing this video. While the city is not as busy, look at the beach. This feels like tiny ants walking. Oh my God, there's so many people here. And it's obvious because it's so hot outside. Many people don't have air conditioning inside of their houses and homes. Even birds are inside of the water to refresh themselves. Look at this. Even birds are inside. And there's a lot of doves and pigeons on the trees, inside on the branches, in the shade of the leaves. That's how bad it actually is. We are searching for a shade, and when you walk for a longer time around the city, you more or less feel like you're getting dizzy, if you know what I mean. Like the head, you're like lightheaded. Not sure how to explain it, but to us locals, staying such a long time on the sunshine is quite difficult. Here by the beginning of the port of Benidorm, there is a lovely small beach, which is called the beach of Malpas. This is a tiny beach that usually gets packed up with people, but this is one of the better places to do some snorkeling. It is not deep waters at all. So it's very cozy, it's very nice. Look at this. It's not deep at all. People are enjoying as much as they can, and this is how packed it actually is. So many people here in the area trying their best to cool down. By the way, the water temperatures right now, well, some people are heading to Benidorm's Island. Are you kidding me? With this type of heat, someone's actually going to Benidorm Island, where there's literally nothing except from birds and heat. Why? Why do people do so? That is bizarre, right? We wouldn't go. I wouldn't go. It is too hot outside. At the top of the old town, we can see the lovely Malpas beach from the top. Incredible area, picturesque, almost postcard beach, honestly. And we've seen actually quite a lot of postcards with it. Mojito bar, quite busy on the inside. The air is blowing, the air fans. All the market, the crafts market, is closed right now. Probably will be opening up in the evening because, well, who's going to be here? Well, there's just one place that is open. All the rest are closed. But who will go? I'm even surprised we see even a few people here. I thought this place will be absolutely empty. By the way, it is not midday, but it's not evening either. It is 5 p.m. right now, more or less. And this is how it looks like at 5 p.m. It is still really hot from 12 midday up until 6 in the evening, more or less. It is really hot outside, especially during the heat wave. And we're not the only ones in Murcia, like all south parts of Spain and north ones. That was absolutely bizarre. Let's head slightly further along. Oh my goodness. Let's head slightly further. Poor girl, I think she's embarrassed of what's going on. People are actually here by the old town. There's just a couple of people here working. But oh my God, no, it's actually empty. Even the castle bar, the cafeteria, just a few people here, and all these painters, the artists, the local artists, just a couple of them are here. All the rest, look at this massive square with literally just a couple of people here. Look at all this. It looks gorgeous, by the way. And all these people are trying to enjoy the water when it's literally 30 degrees water temperature at some points of the Mediterranean Sea. Here in Benidorm, it depends, but at this moment of the day, probably it will feel like around 29 degrees or maybe more water temperature, which is no joke. It's way hotter than what it should be. Hey, here at the castle viewpoint, there are some brave ones. Look at this. We are here because we need to show it to you guys. We're not on holidays. If we would be on holidays, we wouldn't probably go here on midday. Someone's even doing parasailing with this heat. Although I feel like if you go slightly higher up, it will be all right. There will be some breeze in the air probably. People are here, but in the shade. Look at this, in the shade of the trees and the monuments, trying their best. Some brave ones are heading right there down towards the viewpoint, which is right inside of the sea. And all the rest are here in the shade of the trees enjoying. And that is dangerous. Don't do that. See the man who's sitting on top of the viewpoint? Don't do it. There's been quite a lot of accidents, by the way, with these types of people sitting down on like the wall and then falling down. Don't do that, please. This is really dangerous. Trust me. Even now, when there's not a lot of people here, there's one thing positive, which is you're able to enjoy this viewpoint as if you would be the only one here. And look at the Levance beach. Oh my world, what is that? Oh my God. Look at this. That is insane. I would be there too, honestly. We would literally, if we would have our swimsuits, we would literally go right now to the beach. With an exception that we don't like it that busy. It is too crowded for us and for a lot of locals. So probably that wouldn't be the case, but we would so love to go right there towards the beach to be able to enjoy it and refresh ourselves. It is literally too hot right now for having a walk. And we did put sunscreen, by the way. We did put 50 SPF, 50 plus, and this should do. I have a feeling that it will be cloudy today, that the weather will shift once again because there is this strange coloring in the sky, and it feels like these Kalima clouds will come back again. Not sure, but it definitely feels like it because we've seen them by the Poniente beach, like behind the mountains. Yesterday, we've had this Kalima cloud, and you could like feel not the dirt, but like the sand, like the soil. Not sure how to explain it, but when there's Kalima, you can taste it in the mouth if it's really bad. Or like when you breathe and in the mouth, like on the palate, you can actually taste it. Like it's unpleasant. So yesterday that happened, and today I do see these clouds coming down. So maybe today is going to be the same. Even just with the tiniest bit of clouds, we'll be more than happy because, hey, this is too much. Even for us locals, this is a record heat wave, one of the record ones. For those of you who think this is nothing and this is usual, no, it is absolutely not usual thing to have. This is one of the longest heat wave in the last couple of decades. Previously, we usually tend to have a heat wave like 3, 4, 5 days, maybe a week. This one's been more than 2 weeks by now, and some of the record heat waves was like 30 days, like a whole month. Imagine that, or 20-something days. This was 2 weeks already. It's more than 14 days of extreme abnormal temperatures in a lot of parts of Spain. So even though heat waves are a thing in summer, no, it is not normal and it is not typical to have a heat wave for such a long time. And even in Murcia or south parts of Spain on the beach, there was a windmill on the beach reaching 100 kilometers per hour. All of a sudden, it looked like a sandstorm. So obviously, this is not typical. Each year, it is hotter and the climate is way less predictable. Not saying that it's because of the climate change. Who knows? Us usual people, we don't know about it. But it is true, however, that it is becoming more and more intense and longer heat waves. And look at the terraces right now. People are on the inside or by the beach directly. The terraces only have a couple of brave ones here that came directly from the beach, probably, because if not, you won't be able to survive here. All the terraces are empty. Look at that. Literally not a single person here. Not good for business, but hey, who is able to survive on this terrace? We've been here yesterday, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, yesterday, Sunday in the morning, when we filmed you the Spaso cafeteria breakfast right here behind us. And even at 10 in the morning, we had to use hand fans because it was really hot. Imagine now at 4 or 5 p.m. This is really too much. We need some more shade here by the Levante Beach Promenade. I wish we would have that, or put something like between the palm trees and the light system, like some tents, like a material or something, because this is bizarre. I wish we would have something like this, but I don't think so because there is some strong wind in winter. Maybe this could be temporary. Maybe they could just put it in summer and take it down in winter. How would you feel about that? Maybe that would be a good idea because look at this. People are even getting paid sunbeds because they want the umbrella. They want to stay in the shade. That is insane. Luckily to all of us, it will be over tomorrow. And I feel like these clouds will come here and in the evening, it might even be not sunny. It might still be very warm and hot. Temperatures don't drop just like this from one moment to the other. But I do feel like clouds might come back again. And it will be even raining this Wednesday. So who knows what the situation will be. Last day of heatwave, and we are more than happy to say goodbye to these extreme temperatures, honestly. Because this is not normal. This is the reality in Benidorm right now, Monday, with 44 degrees real feel. Even worse than yesterday. Who would have known? We thought yesterday was the worst day, and it should have been. But no, Heatwave decided to stay one more day and spoil completely our days in Benidorm town. Many people are thinking on switching to other months of the year to go for holidays, but honestly, I don't feel like people will be doing so. It's something that is usual to July and August, but this heatwave is more out of the extraordinary case. It doesn't always happen, so you never know. Summer is still a great time to arrive here on holidays, but with all the necessary precautions. There's even police cars here every now and then because it's really busy. That's the first thing. And second of all, because they need to check if someone's feeling unwell, if they need any assistance, just to make sure everything is all right. Really safe in our city. Quality holidays, with just one exception: the heat wave that's been terrorizing us for 2 last weeks. Even so, tomorrow it's going to be gone, and it's going to be beautiful and incredible here in Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us in today's absolutely burning hot walking tour around Benidorm from the old town towards Levante Beach. We'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.